Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding into Duda website builder, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Duda account. Navigate to the website you want to edit. Click on the Design tab in the left sidebar. Once in the Design section, locate the Branding option. Click on Branding to open the branding settings. Upload your logo by clicking on the Logo Upload area. Select a logo file from your computer and upload it. Next, set your brand colors by clicking on the color settings. Enter your primary brand color's hex code or use the color picker. Adjust your secondary brand color in the same manner. Proceed to set your typography by clicking on the typography option. Choose your primary font from the available font list. Select a secondary font for headings or other text elements. If needed, adjust font sizes and weights for better readability. After setting your typography, move on to the favicon section. Upload a favicon that represents your brand. Now, customize any additional branding elements as needed. Review your branding settings for consistency with your brand identity. Once satisfied, click the Save button to apply the changes. Preview your website to ensure everything looks cohesive. Make any final adjustments as necessary. Finally, publish your website to make the branding changes live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.